So today is Taco Tuesday and we're here at Greedy Gonzales to check out their different Mexican specialties. So I think I'm gonna have some tacos and Ramsey's gonna have some burritos. So let's go!